how to recover deleted photos from the Google Files Safe folder on your Android phone. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, open the Files by Google app on your phone. Once the app opens, look at the top left corner and tap on the three-line menu icon. From the menu that appears, go into Settings. Inside Settings, find the option called Show Hidden Files and make sure it is turned on. If it's disabled, simply enable it because hidden files may contain your missing photos. After turning it on, go back to the main screen of the app and tap on Safe Folder. You'll now be asked to enter your PIN or pattern lock. After verifying, you'll be able to access all the files stored inside your safe folder. Check here first to see if your photos are still available. If you don't see your photos inside the safe folder, go back and tap on All Storage, then open Internal Storage. Here, look for a folder named Files by Google and open it. Browse through the folders carefully because sometimes deleted or moved files may still exist inside these directories. Open different folders and check if your photos are available so you can restore them. If you cannot find the Files by Google folder, go back again and check other storage options available on your device. You can also check your cloud backup by opening Google Drive from within storage options and see whether your photos were synced or backed up there. If they are available in Drive, you can easily download and recover them. However, if the photos are not available in the Safe folder, Internal Storage, or Cloud Storage, then it likely means the files were permanently deleted and unfortunately cannot be recovered through Google Files. And that's it. Now you know how to recover deleted photos from the Google Files Safe folder. If you found this video helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.